KHON2 weather, Kamaka Pili.
Aloha Pule, happy Sunday. It is a warm way to kick off, to end off the weekend and unfortunately to kick off the new week ahead. Taking a look at county by county by tomorrow afternoon, partly to mostly cloudy skies as this pocket of moisture is moving through towards the west. And that's going to be creating, again, most of the cloud coverage over windward areas. As you can see, rain chances are going to remain slightly elevated across the windward sides, hopefully some of those leeward sides. You've seen some of our high temperatures around 88, 89 degrees. Unfortunately, when we look at the heat index, feeling like 95 degrees coming in from Kahului, 92 here in Honolulu. Another warm day is expected, and we can thank that pocket of moisture moving through the islands for the increase of humidity. An increase of that moisture bumps up that humidity percentage number, and this is the beginning of that remnants moving through. We saw it, of course, reaching Hawaii Island first, and will continue to move over towards the west, but we aren't expecting anything significant with this round of wetter weather. It's just going to be definitely increasing, again, the moisture and the humidity in the air. And that is going to continue to keep slightly. Also, threat of fire weather, again, spoke about that. That potentially could increase even further for the second half of the week. And we do have that small craft advisory for the eastern waters has been extended to Wednesday morning at 8 o'clock. In addition to that, we also have a high threat of box jellyfish for the next couple days on the south-facing shores. We're here on Oahu, 3 to 5 footers, 2 to 4 for the east, 1 to 3 for the west and towards the north. So this pocket of moisture is the remnants of what was Tropical Cyclone Evo, and that will, despite it being the remnants of a storm system, is very much on the lighter side, and we're really just going to be seeing that moisture push through the islands and exit come Tuesday. But there is a second plume of moisture that is expected to be moving through the islands come Wednesday. It's following that second plume is when we're going to start to see drier conditions fill in. Trade winds could slightly start to increase, and those are elements which will contribute to a higher threat of fire weather as that moisture moves and departs the island. So in terms of timeline, we're going to start to see that pocket of moisture move through, slowly moving towards the west. So by tomorrow afternoon, it should be moving around Oahu towards Kauai and then exiting come Tuesday. But again, we have that second pocket of moisture. So we are going to continue to, unfortunately, see some warm summer days across, at least for the next couple days ahead of us. In terms of those trade winds, up to around 20 miles per hour, and that will pretty much carry us through the week, hence the extension of that small craft advisory. As we get into the second half of the week, particularly Thursday, Friday, we'll be keeping our eyes on that, and be sure to stay tuned with KHON2 in terms of the latest threat for that fire weather conditions. Have a blessed week, everybody.